Welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you a PowerShell script that you can run to update one column of all items of a SharePoint list or some selected items, or means based on a criteria, right? Filtered items you can say. So before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So we are going to use PNP in this, and the benefit of using this is like you can even change approval status. Yes, approval status column. Okay. Now see what I am doing. First I am connecting PNP online URL, site URL. You have to do list name, put your list name, column to modify. So here you have to use the internal name. Okay. See, I have put a comment also. So this comment this field name is an internal field name. So for approval status, it is underscore modernization status. So similarly, whichever field you want to pick, select that. Now it has got value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So for pending, the value is 2. Basically, we wanted to remove some of the approval state. That's why we did it. Now cutoff date. So I have to go back like these many days. So add days, and this I did. Get date means today's date. Add days and this. Now get the SharePoint list using the identity. Get all items from the list. Okay. Now once I got the all items, next step is to filter the items. So that's why items to update, list items, where I pick all the items where object created is cutoff date. So basically items created before those many days we were doing. Now if you have a certain fixed date, that you can set it as cutoff date, and then you can like if you have a hard coded value, like somebody says that before 1st of August or 1st of January 2025 or something, I'm just saying. So in cutoff date, instead of going through this formula adding date or year or months, whatever, you can directly hard code that value, and that you can use. Now next is looping through all the items that you have got. So we are updating it. Okay, see, we are using set PNP list item. Okay, column to modify new column value, and then we are writing in host also, old value, new value. Okay, disconnect from PNP online. Okay, that's it. So that's how simple it is, guys. So with this it works. Let me know what you feel about it, guys. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and please subscribe to the channel. And when you execute this, sometimes what happens, this under interactive in PNP online may not work. So what you have to do there is you have to do something like in my case, what I did, use web only, and it worked. Of course, it depends upon various configurations applied in your environment too. So be careful with that. Sometimes, like if you have direct integration with ADFS, you can use ADFS. So basically, when you're typing this command, just see which one actually works for you. Okay, and that one you should select. But the most important point is the account you are using to run this should have proper access on the site and list. Otherwise, it's gonna fail. So that is what it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.